Hi spooky cuties, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, my name's Nessa and today we are doing an unboxing of the Gothic Stationery Company. This is December's box. We seem to have missed November's box, but I'm just in contact with them to find out what happened. They haven't charged me for it, but I don't understand why, so I'm sure we'll get to the bottom of that. But this is December's box. It came while I was away for Christmas. So if you want to see what's in here, keep on watching. So let's get into the box. Woo! So we have a little business card with this. I absolutely love their logo, it's amazing. It says Simply Stylish on the bottom of it, and it says from Gemma and Andy on the other side with their email address and their website details, which I will leave down in the comments or down in the description. We have a little what's in your box, and you know that we do not look at this until we've been through the box, so I will pop this over here for later. And inside, I think I went on a bit of a rant in my October unboxing video, but I love boxes. It might be quite a niche thing, but I love a box. And I think this is slightly different, maybe slightly smaller to the October's box. So, I mean, if it turns out that they all stack on top of each other amazingly, I might just die of excitement, which is, I know it's really sad. And we just have some tissue paper in the box there, so let's get rid of that and let's get into this box. Now, I have the Monster subscription, I think they call it, so they do a 3-tier subscription, sort of small, medium, large if you will. I have the largest subscription, that is £30 a month with shipping, which is £3.99 if you're in the UK, and I was so not disappointed with October's box, and that was my first one, so this is December's. Let's have a look. Ooh! Oh! So I saved the tissue paper from the last box, and I'll save the other tissue paper and this tissue paper because it'll be so good for wrapping presents in, like reusing it, which I think I said in my last video as well about reusing the boxes. If you've got a box to reuse, send it my way. So let's have a look. There's a very nice black and white theme going on here. Oh wow! So this, this looks like a little colouring in with some pencils. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, so you get 1, 2, oh look at the little scullies. 3, oh these are like those, I can't remember what they're called. You know, there's like spirograph, that's the wrong word, but the, oh I can't think of the word, you know what I mean. They're very cute with a little set of pencils. Let's have a look, see what colour we've got. Oh yeah. So you've got a whole assortment of rainbows there. Amazing. Although I feel like with it being the Gothic Stationery Company, should just give you greys and blacks now. But that's really cute. I do love a colouring in. I've got quite a few colouring in books. Next we have a little notepad. Release the rage. Write down your negative thoughts, then screw them up and throw them away. If that's not good 2023 energy, I don't know what is. So yeah, just a little flip notepad. That's really cool. I might stick this. I just realised this is embossed on the back. Oh, I love that. this is really cool. I might stick this somewhere in my house, so anybody who comes has something they want to get rid of, just pop it in here, and maybe we'll set fire to it in my cauldron that I've got outside. Love that, very cute. Next we have, it's quite weighty, a little notepad with a little embossed skull on it in silver. I've just realised that these bags say they're made in the UK from a compostable PLA, so I'm hoping I can find somewhere to compost those. That's really nice. And this is just a little folded notepad, very cute. Next is a little set of postcards. I really love the little postcards we got in October's box, so let's see what these say on them. So we have, never sacrifice who you are just because someone else has a problem with it. A to the men with that one. There is no exquisite beauty without some strangeness in the proportion. Love that. Normal is an illusion, absolutely. Honestly, anybody that you can look at and you think, oh wow, they're so normal, like, you know, like maybe I could be more normal. Honestly, they're probably more weird than you realise. Every moment matters, absolutely, and I'm not responsible for your false impression of me. Love this, absolutely love this. I know that everybody judges everybody. It's an immediate reaction that we all have to another human that we meet, or another dog or a cat or anything, right? Even a country. But it's what you do with that impression that matters. If you realise it's not a good impression and that it's something that's, you know, maybe drilled into you from past things, let it go and let them show you whether that impression is true or not, because we all hold so many grudges against people and things and places, but it's not always the correct thing. Yeah, I like that. So that was 5 little postcards we just got. Next we have a little stripy package. Ooh. Recharging my spirit. It's a little eye mask. I love an eye mask. Forgot to take mine on the plane with me recently. I put it in my suitcase rather than my hand luggage. But I love an eye mask. It's very cute. And another little stripy package. I think I know what this might be. It's a little pen. And it says, "You got this, you got this." I'm so easily amused. Let's have a gander what colour this is. Oh, it's a blue pen. I pretty much always write in black. I think my handwriting looks better in it because my handwriting's terrible. Ooh, but I like the little, so these are little raised bubbles. That's nice. You got this, you got this. And lastly we have an eternally grateful daily gratitude journal. Oh, very nice. It says the Gothic Stationery Company at the bottom there. It's covered in skulls. And every page is the same. So you have a date, month, year, today's mood with the little smiley faces or not so smiley faces, things that made me happy today, a self-care list, an affirmation and an inspiration. It's very cute. I love something like this. I have a couple of things like this that, you know, at the beginning of the year I say I'm going to fill it in, never do. So I'm going to put this next to my bed, and rather than scrolling endlessly through social media, I will fill this in at the end of every day. I think that'll be really nice to look back on. Very cute. And that is us for the month of December. So let's have a look at what's in your box, and we'll just double check that we've got everything. So yeah, so as I was saying, you get a small, medium, a large. So you get a midi, a maxi, and a monster. The monster has everything that the midi and maxi have. So if you have a midi, you get these bits. If you have a maxi, you get these and these. And if you have a monster, you get everything. So we got skull colouring pages. We did indeed. Skull colouring pages. An A6 notepad with 50 sheets of paper. We did indeed. We got an engraved blue ballpoint pen. We did indeed. We got a set of 5 postcards. We absolutely did. And we got an eye mask. We did. We got a fully recycled notebook. Oh, sorry, this is the notebook. This is the notepad. And I really need to learn the difference between these two. And we got a gratitude journal. We did indeed. So that was the 7 pieces that we got. And it also says at the bottom, not only did you support our business by purchasing this box, but 13 other businesses. So that's really cool. They obviously work with other printers and other businesses in order to gather all these products together. So that's really cool. So that was December's box. What's your favourite piece? I think my favourite piece, for it being something that I've probably not really seen before, is this Release the Rage notepad. I think that's a really good way of letting things go. I think once you write something down and you get it out of your head, it's much less likely to play on your mind. I find it really helpful also to have some kind of notepad or a notebook at the side of the bed when you're falling asleep and you're thinking about things like, oh, I need to do that, or I should do this, or I should do that. I feel like if you write it down, your mind goes to sleep faster, and that way you don't forget about it in the morning, because honestly the amount of amazing ideas I've had just as I fall asleep and in the morning, not a clue. Let me know what your favourite piece was. Let me know if you have a subscription box too. Let me know if this is a subscription box you would also like to get if you could. As always, I will leave their Instagram details down below. I'll also pop on their website details down there too. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I'll post pictures of these while I'm using them throughout the year. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!